My day always starts in the kitchen before the rest of the family wakes up. While the house is still quiet, I prepare a big pot of miso soup for the whole day. Taking this moment to breathe and connect with the ingredients is my favorite morning ritual. Once everyone is up, the morning rush begins. I prepare breakfast for my husband and the kids, and after seeing them off, my husband to work and the kids to daycare, the house finally becomes quiet again. Now, it's time to nourish myself. Actually, I'm currently staying at my parents-in-law's house in Japan. It's a bit different from my usual kitchen, but I'm enjoying cooking simple, nourishing meals in this cozy environment. So today, I will show you what I eat in a typical day. For breakfast today, I'm making a very simple steamed meal. First, I bring some water to a boil in a pot. In the steamer, I place sliced onions, frozen mushrooms, a piece of salmon, and some frozen broccoli. I also added a portion of frozen multigrain rice next to them. I love using frozen vegetables and pre-cooked rice. It's such a lifesaver on busy mornings. I steam everything for about 10 minutes until it's perfectly tender. Steaming is one of my favorite cooking methods because it's so simple, gentle, and preserves the nutrient beautifully. I serve it on a plate with some fresh greens on the side. One secret is starting with vegetables to prevent blood sugar spikes. This keeps my energy stable and helps me stay slim. The omega-3s and fiber here nourish my body and gut. For lunch, I'm making a simple avocado and natto bowl. In Japan, bowls over rice called donburi are very common and conforming way to eat. First, I fill a bowl with multigrain rice. I prepare the natto. Natto is a traditional fermented soybean food in Japan. It has a unique texture, but it's incredibly nutritious and great for gut health. I slice half an avocado and added it right into the natto container. To season, I added some shoyu koji, fermented umami-rich soy sauce. I mix everything together right there. It's so easy and saves on cleaning up. Then, I place the mixture over the rice and top it with an egg yolk. I'm also having a bowl of the miso soup I made for my family this morning. I always eat my pre-cut carrot first to keep my energy stable. Then I enjoy the rice bowl. Combined with avocado and whole grains, this bowl is incredibly satisfying. One of the secrets to maintaining a high metabolism is including fermented foods like natto and shoyu koji, which nourish the gut.
ごちそうさまでした。
Time for a sweet treat to recharge. I'm making Amazake Cocoa. One secret is fermented sweetness instead of refined sugar to avoid the energy crash. It's like a gentle, gut-friendly hot chocolate. Later in the afternoon, I pick up my kids. Once we're back home, it's time to start preparing dinner. Tonight, I'm making hamburger steak. It's a very popular home-cooked dish in Japan, especially for kids. First, I cook the rice. I like to add some powdered barley and multigrain to boost the fiber, so I can enjoy a satisfying portion of rice. It only takes about 30 minutes to cook. Next, I chop the onions. Using a manual food chopper makes this so much easier. Then, in a bowl, I combine the onions, ground meat, and breadcrumbs. For the secret ingredients, I'm adding miso and mayonnaise. The miso added a rich depth of flavor, while the mayonnaise and a splash of milk keeps the patties incredibly juicy. Finally, I added eggs and mix everything together. I love shaping the patties together with my kids. Then I cook them in a pan until they are nearly brown and juicy. While the steaks are cooking, I prepare a quick side dish, carrot rape. Now, it's time to plate. For the kids, I use this little shaker to make mini rice balls. It's a fun and easy way to make their meal more bite-sized. Dinner is served. いただきます。いただきます。よし、食べよう。So that's what I ate today. Veggies First, Fermented Foods, whole grains. These simple habits make staying healthy easy. I hope this gave you some inspiration for your own meals. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more tips from a Japanese nutritionist. Let me know which habit you will try. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.